beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atancho Lovely and you are all warmly welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making mango ice cream. It's very easy. We need 3 ingredients for this recipe. We are going to need 2 ripe mangoes, half cup of Greek yogurt. I'm going to show you guys how to make Greek yogurt in the next video. It's homemade from natural yogurt. And also 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Okay, we are going to start by shelling the mangoes. So we're going to get everything into a bowl like this, or into our Ziploc bag like this. So these are our mangoes after staying overnight in the freezer. So we are going to blend with all the other ingredients. So the tip is to start by putting the wet ingredients. So I'm going to put my 1/4 cup of condensed milk. And then we're going to put half a cup of Greek yogurt, the one we made, the homemade Greek yogurt. And then our mangoes. We're going to transfer this into a baking tin. Seal it up with a foil paper. So let's unveil our ice cream. This has been in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. So the tip is to freeze to a scoopable consistency. You don't want it too hard nor too soft. So let's scoop. Oh my gosh. This is our mango ice cream. And then you can add some crushed almonds on it. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So we've come to the end, guys. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe, like and share. Click also on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.